In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet error messages quickly and effectively. If you've ever tried opening a sheet and seen an unexpected error, loading issue, or access warning, don't worry. Most Smartsheet errors are temporary and can be resolved with a few simple steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get back to work fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you should always do is check if Smartsheet is down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. Open your browser and go to status.smartsheet.com or simply search "Is Smartsheet down?" on Google. If there's a service outage, you'll see it reported there. When Smartsheet servers are experiencing issues, you might see errors like sheets not loading, automation failures, or login problems. If the status page confirms an outage, there's nothing you need to fix. You'll just need to wait until Smartsheet resolves the issue. That brings us to step 2, wait and retry. If the platform is experiencing temporary slowdowns, give it a few minutes. Refresh your browser tab and try opening the sheet again. Sometimes errors are caused by brief connection interruptions or heavy server load. A simple refresh can solve the problem instantly. If the issue continues, move to step 3, log out and log back in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Smartsheet and select Log Out. Once logged out, close the tab completely. Reopen Smartsheet and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication errors or loading problems caused by expired login tokens. Next, try using Incognito mode or another browser. Open a private or Incognito window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and log into Smartsheet from there. If the sheet loads correctly in Incognito mode, the issue is likely related to your browser extensions or cached data. You can also try switching to a completely different browser to see if that resolves the error. If you're seeing permission-related errors, step 5 is to check your permissions. Right-click on the sheet name or click File and then Properties to view sharing details. Make sure you have the correct access level, whether that's Viewer, Editor, or Admin. If you don't have sufficient permissions, contact the sheet owner and request the appropriate access. Many Smartsheet errors are simply caused by restricted permissions. Another common cause of errors is heavy actions within large sheets. If your sheet has thousands of rows, complex formulas, multiple cross-sheet references, or many automations running at once, performance issues can occur. Try reducing heavy formulas, removing unused conditional formatting rules, or splitting large sheets into smaller ones. Simplifying your sheet structure can dramatically improve stability and eliminate recurring errors. Finally, clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files and cookies can interfere with how web applications load. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and clear the data. After that, restart your browser and log back into Smartsheet. By following these 7 steps, checking if Smartsheet is down, waiting and retrying, logging out and back in, trying Incognito mode, checking permissions, reducing heavy actions, and clearing your cache, you can fix most Smartsheet error messages quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you fix your Smartsheet issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.